Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can post on Facebook and Instagram at the same time. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. Now, since the Instagram and the Facebook are from the same company, which is the Meta itself, then you can simply sync it. So what you have to do is, for example, let me go to your Instagram, and when you are on your Instagram, right over here, tap on this little story icon. I'm going to tap on plus. So now I'm going to simply choose a video of mine or any picture that I would like to showcase it over here for the story purposes. So for example, your stories and close friends you will see, and if I tap on this little icon, I will find your story, which was add a Facebook story as well. This option will automatically be available over there. So you just have to make sure that you have, if you tap on don't share this time, it will not be shared this time, and the next time you can. So make sure it's toggled over there, and tap on share to Facebook every time if you post, if that's not toggled on, and tap on share button at the bottom, and your story will be shared on both your Facebook and Instagram. So let me go ahead, tap on share. I have done it. Now the story has been available. I'm going to go to Facebook, refresh once. There you go, the story is also here on Facebook. That's what you have to do. That is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.